Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner report for Sarah in Virginia on this Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Sarah, we got rid of that pesky old mesh screen. Put this nice little fan grill here that won't collapse. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitors, wideband transmit receive, etc, etc. Let's see what we can do with this radio here. Start with RF power all the way down. 500 watt slug. It's set at 25 watts. That way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. Roll it up. 125. I'll show you average power swing. Oh, about 280 bird. 1000 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 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 hello. About 740 PEP. Alright, Sarah, we're going to get this over to you. I very much appreciate your patience. If you're looking at ordering a radio, our wait time is now extended back to 10 to 15 business days, which actually is pretty short. But just want to let everybody know. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye-bye.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.